okay? I can't stand this anymore. Ano to, Miss V? Laro? Gusto mo bang gawing perya tong Velma Beauty?
You tell me, Shari. You're the one acting like your life is a circus.
Miss V, look, I get it. Galit kayo sa akin dahil nag-launch ako ng sarili kong product nang walang paalam. But you know for a fact that we needed a new product.
Shari, nagnakaw ka. You stole her formula.
Bigay naman to kay Miss Velma. Baka pwede niya isama sa Velma Beauty.
I need you to do something for me. What? Miss V? No, I would never.
Anong no? Tinawagan namin yung lab sa Korea. Binayaran mo sila para i-reverse engineer yung gawa ni Miss Alfonso. You essentially copied the product and launched it as your own.
Okay, what? So is this a trial now or something?
No, it's not. It's damage control. Kung gusto mong sirain ang buhay mo, ang pangalan mo, do not drag Velma Beauty down with you. Maswerte ka nga. Na itong si Noreen didn't file the case against you.
It would not have been a hit kung hindi ako yung nag-launch ng product, and you know it, Miss V. That product needed me. The most important, sought-after beauty influencer today. Okay, ano, babayaran ba natin siya to fix this?
No. What we need to fix is your attitude. I'm hiring Noreen to work with you on the pitch for the Taro Park collab.
Si Tara Park po? No! That Tara Park collab is mine and mine alone, Miss V. You know it! Matagal ko na pinaghahandaan yung pitch ko sa kanya. Sino naman tong babae na to work with me?
Someone who's getting the numbers na hindi mo nakukuha. Here, basahin mo yan. Everything is there. If we want to go global, we need to tap the local market, the C&D class. And unfortunately, Shari, hindi ka nila gusto.
And the great idea is, kumuha ng isang micro-influencer to work with me and Tara. Tama na.